M.K. Sahid alias Sabir allegedly committed suicide by hanging himself inside Central Sajiwa Jail, Imphal today. M.K. Sahid, age 31, son of Glenn M.K. Itham alias Ayub Khan of Yaripok, Chingam Dabi, Thawal district, was arrested in connection with the Wasima rape and murder case. The incident occurred on January 28 at Irong, Chesaba Salam Achauba, Thumkom. Wasima, a 19-year-old girl, was a resident of Yaripok Tulihal of Thawal. Judicial Magistrate First Class Imphal West 2 had earlier rejected a bail application filed by the rape accused. As a part of the School Bhagat Hansi mission under Department of Education as Government of Manipur, Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today inaugurated newly constructed Moirang Purel High School at Moirang Purel of Imphal East. Besides Chief Minister, Mahud Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar and Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam also attended the function. TN Academy, along with its boarding and a house, were gutted in a fire in the wee hours today at Champrathong under Hairog, Part 3 of Thawal district. Admit cards, uniforms and books belonging to students who will be appearing in the upcoming board and council exams were destroyed in the fire. However, no one was injured in the incident. Over rupees 1 crore worth properties were destroyed by the blaze. As a part of Deworming Week, Primary Health Center Moray today conducted a deworming sensitization program at St. George School, Moray. Medical Officer of Primary Health Center Moray, Dr. T.H. Priyobarta, and Medical Officer in Charge, Dr. K.H. Shantikumar, took part in the program. They highlighted about the benefits of the deworming tablets which were distributed to the students. Principal of St. George School, Father Rudy Sami, appreciated the efforts of Primary Health Center Moray. State Health Society Manipur and MS Hairang Info Manipur jointly felicitated people working in the health sector during a function held at Khurai Chingangam Lekai today. Speaking at the function, Health Director Dr. R.K. Raju Singh said that the Health Department has been taking up preemptive measures against novel coronavirus and appealed to the public to be cautious if suspected symptoms of infection are detected. The third main conference of Liang Mai Baptist Association Manipur was kicked off last evening on the theme Malum Buibo Pyo, meaning a faithful man, at Tama under Tamai headquarters of Tamenglong district. More than 70 churches and over 7,000 people are expected to attend the event, which will continue till 14th of February. Tamai constituency MLA Awangbong Newmai and LMBAM President Reverend Maisong Gamang graced the inaugural function. A combined team of Technopol District Police, Chandel District Police, Narcotic and Affairs of Border Manipur, along with Forest Range Officer Technopol, assisted by commando teams of Technopol and Moray, yesterday destroyed around 60 acres of illegal poppy plantation at the hill range of Lamkang Khunka village. The drive was carried out under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Technopol District, T.H. Bikramjit Singh. While Meitei Convention 2020 will be held on March 4th and 5th at Lamargram under Kasa district of Assam. In this regard, Pen Meitei Convention advisor P. Sonamani today told reporters at Manipur Press Club Imphal that the convention was held last year for the first time and the upcoming edition mainly aims at bringing together all Meiteis living across the globe under one umbrella. The center today said that the NRC data in Assam is safe even though some technical issues were visible and that will be resolved soon. The Union Home Ministry clarification came in view of reports that data of the final list of the National Register of Citizens have been made offline from its official website. According to sources, the data was not available for a couple of days and it created panic in the public, mostly among the people excluded from the list as the rejection certificates were yet to be issued. The number of fatalities from China's new coronavirus epidemic jumped to 1,110 after hard-hit Hubei province reported 94 new deaths. The novel coronavirus has killed more than 1,100 people and infected over 45,000 people worldwide. The vast majority of cases are in mainland China. China Railway today announced that it is suspending the sale of standing room only tickets in an effort to reduce the number of passengers on the trains during the outbreak.